Ever wondered what a nurse really carries around all day? Let's take a peek inside a nurse's pocket. First up, the pen light, a mini torch for checking pupils and responses, especially during emergencies. Next, scissors, used for everything from bandages to emergency clothing cuts. A small notebook and pen are must-haves for tracking vitals, notes, or quick reminders. Sanitizer is always within reach. Clean hands are non-negotiable in nursing. A pair of gloves is always ready to go. Safety and hygiene first, always. That's what fits in just one pocket. Think you're ready to carry the tools of care? Nursing is a commitment and a calling.